If you're a human, you've definitely hiccuped, sneezed, or yawned. But do you know why? Hiccups, that annoying hic, is your diaphragm spasming. It's like your body's way of saying, oops. Usually harmless, just drink some water and you'll be fine. Next up, sneezes, your nose's ninja move to expel irritants. Dust, pollen, or even a strong perfume. Achoo! Out it goes, bless you. Finally, yawns. Scientists aren't entirely sure why we yawn, but one theory, it helps cool our brain. So yawn away. From hiccups to sneezes and yawns, our bodies are full of surprises. Next time one happens, you'll know exactly what's going on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts.